Well, here we are in Lightning Ridge. Just having a look at this little old shack. Apparently built in 1916. Eh? Look at this old place. Never been to Lightning Ridge before. This is the first thing I'm looking at. It's not a bad looking old place. Can we see in there? Yeah, it's old alright. You can still live in there though. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Sounds like Cooper's Cottage, 1916. Gone mining. Whoop. Yep. Nice old place. I wouldn't mind living in it. Pretty cool. Watch your head. Well, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye for now.